Alam ko na isipin nyo, bakit ganyan itsura mo? Yes! Wait lang, ayusin ko lang buhok. Okay, so ngayon, it's the time of the month na kailangan ko na magpagupit kasi may pasok na ako. And, syempre maglalaro ako ulit ng isang nakakatakot na game na tinatawag na Last Neighbor. And dito sa game na to ay, syempre, kailangan lang natin tumakas sa game na to. Basta hindi tayo mahuli nung neighbor na natin. Okay, neighbor natin na to. And yeah, that's all we have to do. Sit back and relax. Expect the jump scares kasi sobrang daming jump scares. Kaya don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. Huwag yung pansinin yung buhok ko. Peace out. I'm thinking about doing something crazy tonight. I thought a lot about this today. At this, wondering if I should do it or not. But if I don't do it, I won't be able to pay for my mom's next chemo. And she really needs it. Her condition keeps getting worse. I tried asking for a loan and I also tried to borrow money from the people I don't know. And that I know. But nobody wants to help, so I have no other choice. There's this big house in my neighborhood and I think the owners are on vacation. I've been checking the house for the last couple of days and it looks empty. I feel miserable for doing this, but tonight I'm going to break in and see if they have anything of value. What? Okay. Oh my God! Para matagal tayo dito Okay, let's go. Focus on the red button.
Sa'yo lang talaga tumatagal.
Okay, no one's here. Oh. Oh, paano yun? Paano paalisin to? Don't use the hyper if you don't see the enemy or he will get you. But you sure to move around so you can be aware of all the windows. If you see the enemy running towards the door, you should rush in. Because you see the man standing, don't move until it's gone. Right click. Ito yun. Hindi pala pwede gamitin yan nang wala siya.
I hate that.
Pupause natin to, pare. Hindi pala pwede gamitin yung hyperlight. Okay, gets. Gagamitin lang natin yung hyperlight kapag nandun siya, pare. I can do this, bro. Ayun, nawala. Okay, goods. Nawala siya. Ganun lang gagawin pala. Gets ko na. Nakakabahan ako, bakit ganun, pre. Lumabas ka na! Para ma-hyperlight na ita, pare. She's not out yet? Oh my gosh. Siya na ba? Huwag ka tumawa ng ganyan, pare. Oh, yun! Okay na!
else lang.
There's more! Watch the windows and close the door if he tries to enter. Paano umalis? Oh my God! Pumipitik ako dun, Hold right click to close the door. Tapos, hindi. Ba't na yung papalit na? Don't move daw. Don't move! I'm not moving. Oh, good. Paano ko aalis? Oh, doon! Oh my God! Ano yun? Ba't ganun? Kailan natin gagamitin yung pre? Hindi ko nga alam kung nandun. Dito siya, Doon siya pumunta! Hold it! Ay, mali! Pucha, kailangan ko pa ilagay sa bilog. Nasaan siya? Huwag siya nakita. Is he here? No? Okay. Oh, don't move. No share. kaya tayo abot ng 10 minutes no? Don't move again. Tatagal na naman pala tayo dito. Akala ko saglit lang. 10 minutes ha? Depende pala sa tao. Paano ko malalaman? Ayun siya. Okay, doon. Close. Okay, go! Paano ko malalaman dito? Dito, dali! Wala, safe lang! Doon! Dali! Ah! Bakit ganun? Dito. Okay, everything's good. Don't move. Ang hirap naman ito. Hindi ko makikita kasi sa hindi siya pwede makita na maayos yung sa ibang pinto. Ayun, kunyari dito. Lala na movement ko. Dito siya. Oh my... Nakatago yung red dun sa dark! Ay, hirap naman na ito. I don't like this, bro. Dito rin siya dapat dadaan. Tama? Ay, putik ka dun sa likod. Sabi na, ang hirap anuhin eh. Ba siya nangangatok? Pumasok lang tayo ng bahay. Hindi natin bahay ito talaga. He's here! No? Don't move. Ang hirap. May mannequin ulit. Doon siya pupunta. Dali. Hold. No? Wala. Okay, wala. Dito. Dali ako. Wala. Okay, bitaw. Palit. Dito naman, sa blue. Okay, lipat muna tayo. Lipat ulit. Dito siya pupunta. Balik tayo dito. Doon. Dali. Dito naman. Wala, hindi siya lumalabas. Sir! Where you at, ha? Hala, hindi siya lumalabas. Hala, okay na. Oh, shoot! Oh my God! Ah! Bago na to, pare. Bago na. Hide, 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 hide. Hide ulit, pare. Tulog ang isang game. Dito hindi ka makatulog pa. Kailangan natin hanapin yung blue. May ganda siya. Uy! Oh! No! Ah! Lumabas yung game! Bad trip. Uy, JT is heart niya. Good evening. May gano. Puti ka nakatago. Hello, Jai. Hala! No! Good evening. Uy! Uy, JT, isa ka under ta. Tato yung expression nga eh.
Pati kami naisip.
Tayo'y
Okay na. Okay na, okay na. Okay na. Pwede tayo mag-ano. Nariling ako gumalaw. Minsan naka-blend siya sa ano eh. Ako. Ano? Okay, goods. Parang matatapos ko to ngayon. Matatapos na ako ngayon. Malapit na. Bento.
Eto pa.
Alingin pa! Matatapos na ako. Ba't di lumabas? Hala, wala na. Napagod yung dalawa. Kaya lumabas, guys. Hindi na, tapusin na natin. Napagod yung dalawa. Napagod. Ay, na-exit ko! Bad trip! Okay na, wala na. Asan na? Saan ako man? Oh! Uy! Balik! Nakita ko siya. Save. Diba wala? Sabi sa'yo wala eh. Di gumagana. Ano, Joe? Di gumagana yung perfume. Ba't ganun? Oh, may nag-send. Bakit na? Hindi na gumana. Wait lang. Nako naman yung 8-8 sa akin. Wala guys, nagano na. Nagtampo na. Kami nakakita. Oh, may May 3 pa naman na iiwan. Ay na gumana, ba't ganon? Sa aking 20. Balik ka na lang sa next live ko. Tapos doon ko sasayaw ulit. Ewan ko ba't ayaw gumana. Tapos na tayo. Lapit na. Wala nang gips eh. Hindi na pwede. Tatapusin na to. Natapos na tayo. Go. Ano siya? Yung itsura niyo! Boss! Wag! 2 kamay gamit ko, boy. Meron pa ba? Init.
911, what's your emergency?
Hello? Please, there is a guy stabbing someone on the street. Please, send the police. Hurry, he's killing her.
Okay, please calm down and tell me where is this happening.
Oh wait, I think he saw me. No, wait, please, don't.
What? Tumakas ako sa wala! Nahuli din ako!
8 bodies were found this morning all over the neighborhood. Some of them have at least 59 wounds on their bodies. Experts declared they were all killed with the same
Matay din ako.
weapon. The police received multiple calls last night around 8 p.m. 5 of the bodies were found around that time by police officers. Witnesses
nangyari.
saw a tall shirtless African-American male running away from the crime scene. The police are on the lookout for the one responsible for these horrible crimes.
Schizophrenia pala yung pumapatay sa atin. Multiple personality disorder, bipolar. The patient is not capable of being alone. He can be dangerous to himself and others. Patient is guilty for killing 13 people with a kitchen knife around his neighborhood while his caretakers left him alone without any supervision of a couple of days. The parents claim they left him in a secured locked place. Police are still investigating how the patient was able to get out by himself. Life sentence in psychiatry. Oh. Patrick, what? 6'8" siya. Hello, Ray. Dami niya, dami yung ano. Dami yung sakit. Parents are also facing charges and could end up in prison. Damn.